Number of buckets of paint and needed to paint the fence, right, directly varies with the total area, and inversely varies with amount of paint. Buckets needed is inverse proportional with the paint. Number of buckets needed is directly proportional to the total area, which means we get something like this: N equals K A, right? A over P. Give us, if P is 1, right, and the area is 72, and number of bucket is 3. Okay, we can find K from that information. K is 3 over 72. So K is, if you reduce, you get 1, 2, 4. So 1 over 24. So N is equal to 1 over 24 A over P. Okay, how many 1 gallon buckets do you need? So what is N if area is 90 and we have 1 gallon, right? So this is going to give you the number of buckets. Divide top and bottom by 2, 45 over 12. This is 3 buckets, right? 36 and 9 over 12. So 3 buckets and 3/4 of a bucket.